Currently sitting outside in Cape Town, thousands and thousands of miles away from home, and I haven't really been spending too much time not working, enjoying time as I normally would when I'm out here in Cape Town because of this platform that we're launching, TryCook AI 2.0. And even though I normally would regret not spending more time being present and enjoying my time here, I'm still the most excited that I've ever been because I believe that we're solving the hardest problem that there can be which is, how do you actually win in entrepreneurship? For those that don't know, for the longest time, entrepreneurship was so hard, right? And I'm saying was because today it's not that hard, at least not for the clients and what they're experiencing on our platform. And the reason why winning was so hard in entrepreneurship is because I learned this from this venture capitalist. I forgot his name. He's Michael something, right? And he talked about this thing called earned insights. And the reason why venture capitalists are willing to invest or back a founder who's not a first-time founder, but a second, third-time founder is because once you've built something successful, the next thing is a lot easier because you have earned insight. You know how to find product market fit. You know how to get attention, or at least you understand the importance of attention. You understand how hard it is to build a team and the importance of hiring and managing and giving people KPIs and keeping them accountable. And you also learn the importance of leverage, right? You start chasing opportunities that have leverage, but also that compound. When you're just starting out in business, you know nothing about all of this because these aren't necessarily the foundational stuff that you need to know. These are the things that actually give you an edge. And even with AI, making it possible for you to be able to create content, to be able to create ads, for you to be able to not need employees, the number one thing that people still couldn't have was insights that could only be had through experience. Well, the reason why I've been so excited about TryCook AI is because our goal is actually to solve for that. It's how do you give someone who doesn't have insights because they've never built a successful company before, they've never made $1 million a year, they've never made $1 million a month, how do you give them the same earned insights as a third, fifth-time founder? That problem is the hardest problem to solve for, and I believe that it's something that we've been able to solve with TryCook. And we solved it first by building the Truth Engine, and now what we've done is in TryCook AI 2.0, we've taken that to be the first input in building an offer, right? So traditionally, the way you would build an offer is you would maybe watch a YouTube video, you would maybe buy a course, or you would be working a job and you would see an opportunity or a gap in the market. And then you would try to go to people and say, okay, well, hey, here's something that I like. I think it can help your business. Do you want to buy it? Well, you're going to just fail your way to success, right? For us, we don't want none of that. What we want to do is we want to have AI find you the industry. We want AI find you the gap within that industry. We then want to have AI build you a unique mechanism that solves that gap. And then before it puts together an offer, you actually want to go find competitors. We want to find their funnels. We want to find their ads. We want to find everything on how they're winning. And then we want to essentially compare what you have with what the competitors have to build you something new and to help you with positioning that's not based on hallucinated insights, but actually from proven offers in the market that are generating leads, that are generating appointments, that are generating deals, okay? And once it has all the insights, all the market intelligence, it then actually starts executing. We believe that once everybody has access to this technology of getting earned insights, or not necessarily getting earned insights, but having AI find you insights that you would only earn after a decade of work and millions of dollars in revenue, you can just get it from day one. We believe that by building this, we're going to democratize the ability to win and finally make it possible for every dreamer out there to be able to finally win and see success. And by the way, you do not need to pay a team to do this. You do not have to rely on an agency. You do not need to rely on some information. You do not need to rely on anybody else, right? AI finds you the truth. AI executes on your behalf. This is the new paradigm that we're entering. And something sick that we've discovered is that we're actually going to build an AI agent that leverages TryCook AI agents. What does that mean? Like I was doing this on a stream and I was cooking and I was, looking at what's going on in e-com, and I found the opportunity of selling AI UGC, and then I found competitors, but I was the one going through the steps. AI agents at each step would find me the truth and would build stuff, but I was still the one judging the output. What we're going to be doing is we're actually going to have an agent that overlooks, that manages and oversees all of these agents' work without you having to be in the loop whatsoever. So you just tell this agent what you need created, and then it's going to go use all of these agents, and then at the end come back to you with an offer with the entire infrastructure to generate your leads, clients, or a pre-built, you're just going to find something else to do with your time, but you won't even have to spend much time in TryCook AI, so it's really exciting time. Yeah, I'm really excited, and yeah, we're building the future. It's not easy, but this is what is required. If you guys want access to Cook, click the link below or join my upcoming workshop where I'm going to be showing you guys what we've been building and how we got here in the first place. See you guys. Bye-bye.